Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful GeForce RTX 3070 Ti with GA102 GPU. So friend, the colorful introduces three models based on the new NVIDIA RTX 3070 Ti SKU variant. Unlike ZOTAC, the colorful cards are listed with higher TDP, and friend, the company launches iGame Vulcan OC, iGame Advanced OC and iGame Ultra Wide OC. If we look closer at the detailed specification, not only has the GPU been modified, the power consumption matrix did as well, and the GA102 version of Vulcan OC is nearly identical to the original variant, which is equipped with GA104 GPU. This means 3 8-pin power connectors and 14 plus 4 VRM design, and it is updated model with more powerful GPU will consume up to 400 watt, which is 90 watts more, and the boost clock has not changed. It is still up to 1860 MHz. And friend, the iGame Ultra Wide gets the biggest upgrade from all three cards. This newer model appears to be based on RTX 3080 design with triple 8-pin power connectors and slightly modified cooler with more heat pipes, and the power consumption is higher here as well, now going up to 370 watt from original 310 watt, and the RTX 3070 Ti Advanced OC has been released with GA104 GPU, and there is nothing to compare it to. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.